You're about to learn how to use your human design emotional authority to make aligned decisions in your business and life, which is part of the first pillar of the CREATE method. If you're like most people, you are taught to look outside of yourself to make decisions or to use your mind to make a logical or rational decision. This can often lead to frustration or constantly questioning yourself and the decisions that you've made. Here you're going to learn that the most aligned decisions and guidance actually comes from within, using your own intuition. In human design, your inner truth comes from one very specific place. This inner truth is called your authority. You can use your authority for all types of decisions that you make throughout your day and your life. It's your most consistent and reliable internal source of energy, and it gives you clear guidance about whether something such as decisions or opportunities are correct for you or not. It might take some time and practice to learn how to tap into your authority and interpret what it's telling you through all that mind chatter that you might have. And if you're just getting started, I recommend that you practice using your authority to make small decisions at first so you can consistently access and act on this feedback. Once you get used to working with your authority and trusting its guidance, then you can begin to use it for bigger decisions. As an emotional authority, your most aligned decisions are made when you tune into your emotions and feelings. You should only make decisions when you are emotionally neutral or clear. This means that you'll have to wait through your emotional waves, both highs and lows, and then you'll suddenly just know the answer in a moment of clarity. It could take up to 3 to 5 days to make big decisions as you give yourself time to ride out all of those waves, or your decision could arrive actually a lot more quickly. If you feel like you're stuck in a cycle, exercise will help you get out of your head and move those emotions. It might also help to begin tracking your emotions so that you can better understand and work within your own emotional cycles. For smaller decisions, the size of the decision will generally determine the size and the length of the emotional wave. For smaller decisions like what to eat for dinner, you might need to feel into each option separately because you might not know how you'll feel about something until you actually feel into either option. By feeling into these options like pizza or leftovers, you're creating mini waves for yourself. And perhaps you might even physically move back and forth between those options to give yourself a little bit of clarity as to which decision is the right one for you. For big decisions, it is super important that you do not make emotionally charged decisions. As much as something might excite you initially, it's important to wait to go through that full emotional cycle and make a decision when you feel emotionally clear. This shouldn't take more than a few days or a week. If you still don't have clarity in that time, ask yourself if you're overthinking the decision that you're trying to override the answer that you were given on. It might help to even talk it out with other people to give yourself clarity. That is how you make the most aligned decisions in your business and life using human design. And if you're looking for more guidance about how to apply these human design principles to your sales, your marketing, and your client attraction strategy, you'll be able to unlock the next levels of prosperity, abundance, and flow in your business. And if that's the case, then you should check out my free mini course, How to Use Human Design to Create an Aligned Business, by clicking the link below in the video description.